destroy the competition with the CyberpowerPC Luxe series of gaming desktops. These feature the latest generation of high-performance Intel Core processors and ultra-quick DDR RAM to easily handle system-intensive tasks, such as high-definition video playback and gaming. Coupled with powerful discrete video cards, the Luxe series provides a smooth gaming and multimedia experience. Truly awesome machine. Tremendous performance. Running all my games on ultra setting and it shrugs them off like, come on dude, give me something difficult to do lol. Built well, very heavy case due to the all glass panels I guess. Also bigger than I expected, lights up like a Christmas tree. Getting used to that but would have been just as happy with a normal case. This is a very extrovert PC but it has good reason to show off. Super happy with it so far. Recommend it to anyone who wants a real top-end PC.